Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this quick tip, we are going to apply a glass effect to this stroke. So this is just an open path and it has a fat stroke. And this should have a glass effect. So let's go to Effect, Distort, Glass. And then you see this is the effect that we want to get. So let's add some more distortion and some more smoothness like this, and it's okay. And you see, this doesn't turn out too well. So what can we do about that? So these white pixels along that edge is not what we want. This should dissolve into the gray background. Now, of course, we're going to undo that. I have used the shortcut. And now we need to prepare it. Now, first of all, I'm going to make a copy, again with the shortcut. And then let's make this thicker and paste in front. I'm using a shortcut again, which is F for front. And this now has to be black, like this. And then what we need to do is convert this to pixels. So we have to rasterize it. And the background needs to be white, and we need to add some pixels around the object, but 20 is too much. I'm going to make 10 millimeters, like so. So this is it. And now we can go to Effect, Distort, Glass again. And here are the settings. So let's go to OK. And then what we can do is select the two and go to Window, Transparency, and make a mask. This, of course, is inverted. So let's just invert it again. And you see we have the nice dissolve into the background.